yo guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we'll be talking about Invest 92L. Now, actually, it's becoming better organized now than it did yesterday. Now, this only has until the end of Sunday, beginning of Monday, before to intensify until late Sunday, very early Monday morning until a trough digs in. Until a trough digs in like that and stops this from developing. Now, I think this has actually moved more, westward, I think. I'm not quite sure. Wait, just make sure. Yes, it has moved more. It's moved more east, I think. I'm not quite sure about that. I think it has. So, yeah. This is 40% chance. I knew they'll probably upgrade it. Because when I looked today at, I think it was at school. When I looked today. When I looked today at school, this thing was 100. This thing was 30 thingy. What do you call it? 30%. But now they've upgraded it to 40%. If it needs to rapidly organise before it might become Wonder. If it becomes Wonder, that means then we only have. That means we've completed the full naming list, and that means then we'll definitely be going into the auxiliary naming list. But anyway, the Eastern Pacific has got a disturbance, Invest 98E, and it's now a whopping 60% chance of formation and a 90% chance in the next 5 days. Now, whether it does something, we're not quite sure. But models have been hinting of this one in the what do you call it? In the Eastern Pacific becoming a very significant hurricane. Now, whether that will happen, we don't really know. The GFS is hinting, and the GFS has been a relatively good model this year. Like yesterday, Tropical Tibbets was down. Now it's not down, I don't think. Invest 91L has just been designated. So Invest 92L. Wait, Invest 91L can't be just been designated, right? No. Wait, let me refresh the page. They can't. No, look. It hasn't been designated yet. I don't know why then. That's probably a glitch on Tropical Tibbets or something like that. Well, the NHC hasn't really marked it yet, but, that is that wave that's supposed to become, Oh, wait, yeah, Invest 91L is, Oh, what's that system's name called again? I'm not quite sure. Oh yeah, this system was what? Or is it coming off the coast of Africa? That's got to be the coast of Africa. I think. Yeah, that's got to be the coast of Africa. Oh wait, no. Invest 91L. Oh yeah. This is an Invest 91L that was in the Caribbean that did get marked, but then it moved into the East Pack, and now this is the East Pack storm. So that's why, because as if you look here, if you look very closely here, you can see a gap here. Now that gap is where the East Pack is. And see, look, that's where Honduras is. No, Nicaragua and Honduras. So, forecast models are saying that I don't think we will see any major hurricanes in the Atlantic, but that probably will last. As you can see, yeah, it does manage to get to 1,006 millibars. So a very, very, very brief hurricane tomorrow. Very brief hurricane it should form into. But, it should be making landfall on the 12:00 tomorrow, October 10th, 2021. And then, obviously, boost itself down south by Tuesday. Now, that storm that forms into the thingy, that will go into the Gulf. And this will likely become Adrian. Now, we don't really know whether it's going to get the Pacific name or the Atlantic, or stay as the Atlantic name. If it has a core, if it keeps its core from the East Pack, it will obviously keep the name. I don't know what the Eastern Pacific's next name is. Because the Eastern Pack has been so dead, I forgot what the name is. But yeah, I think it's the P. Yeah, I think it's the P name storm. Now if it keeps that core from here, when it crosses over here, it will be the P name storm if it keeps its core from the East Pack. But if it dissipates and becomes a newly system over here, then it'll possibly become Adrian, the auxiliary naming list. And then, if we get into this auxiliary naming list, that'll be 3 times in a year that we would have had storms that would have went past the normal naming list. 2005, 2020, and now this year should obviously do that. Then we have Adrian, and then I think we probably have the B name storm. I don't know what the B name storm is. Brian or something like that. And then Katridad or something. I don't know what. Sorry about my pronunciation, guys. I don't really know these auxiliary naming lists. Yeah, I should have pronounced them, but when I got introduced. The reason why I'm doing this video a bit later is because it's Friday, and Friday I don't have to go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, it's because I don't have school. But you're probably thinking, well, how do you edit when you're at school? Now, how do you edit when you got school in the morning? Well, it's kind of simple. I just stay up all night, basically. Right, invest not. No, right. I need invest 91 out. Invest 91 out. Invest 91 out. Right, invest 91 out. Yeah, invest 91 out is is the P name storm in the Atlantic in the Pacific. Now look how quick it intensifies. But then you will see how quickly it weakens. Right, this is Invest 95W right now. Invest 95W is, not meant to be as good as it would, to be honest with you. GFS is what the GFS is hinting. Invest 94W is, I think it's lionrock now, I think. Yeah, we have got lionrock. But this is meant to be a typhoon landfall. So let's just hope that doesn't happen. Now, yeah, no, that wasn't lionrock. Oh, that's anyway. No, that can't be lionrock. So, Invest 93L. Oh, no, wait, no. Yeah, Invest 93L is lionrock. Now, right, Invest 93L is a system that should. Well, this is this is Invest 91E. Now, if you look at Invest 91E, how quickly it's meant to intensify, look at that. 931 millibars. 931 millibars. That is literally a Category 4 hurricane. Maybe even Cat 5 if it touches Cat 5. I am literally, if the GFS does come right, this will be borderline Category 5 right here. Borderline Category 5. Not 170, not 180. Borderline Category 5 right now. If this does happen, I'm just saying, if this does happen, I'm not saying it will, because it could become significantly weaker. Now, the waters over here are average to slightly above average. The further south you go the further to the coast you go in the Eastern Pacific, the warmer the sea surface SSTs get. So, like, here, the SSTs will be about 29 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is conducive for tropical development. Wherever it is now, it's really conducive. But, honestly, it won't form until... Monday. Now, honestly, I don't think this won't form until Monday. To be honest with you, no, this is the one in the, oh wait, to 24th of October, we've got two systems out here. Now, honestly, I don't think they're going to form because of the, sorry about that, guys. If they were going to form, it would become Hone. And obviously, it's been so many days since we haven't had Hone. The last time we had tropical activity, I think, was 2019. Yes, 2019 we had tropical activity. So, what is 935 millibars? Millibars to MP H. Right. So 3 more. Right. Category 5 starts from 919 millibars. Category 3 starts from 945 to 964. Category 4 starts from 920 to 944 millibars. Now, this is meant to be the 930 something range. Now, if this could become a major, this could become a Cat 5. Now, I'm not ruling it off. I'm not going bullish here, and like other YouTubers say, that this storm is going to be completely a Cat 5. You don't really know if it's going to become a Cat 5 or not, to be honest with you. Because one, the conditions in the East Pac in a La Nina season is not that all conducive. Now, honestly, I think this is going to be their third major hurricane, and honestly, I don't think they're going to get another major hurricane after this. If they do, that will surprise me. But generally, in the La Nina season, they don't have another thingy. But anyway, Category 1 starts from 980 millibars. Category 2 starts from 979 to 965. Then Category 3 starts from 946 millibars to 945 millibars. Category 4 starts from 944 millibars to 920. And then the Category 5 starts from 919 millibars to, whenever. Now it's over 155 miles an hour, over 18 feet of storm surge, and damage is catastrophic. It says here, catastrophic. Now, a Category 1 can cause minimal damage. Moderate damage for a Category... Moderate damage for Category 2. Extensive for Category 3. Extreme for Category 4. And catastrophic for Category 5. Right. I will show you the strongest storm ever in the whole entire world. What was the strongest storm in the Atlantic 2021? No. 2021. There we are. Sam. Today, October 8th, the season has produced 29 storms, tying with 1993 as the third most active hurricane season on record. Last season dissipated. Obviously, it's still going. Maximum sustained winds is 155 miles an hour, 250 kilometers an hour, and the pressure I think was 935 millibars. I think it was. Now, honestly, I think they're going to upgrade this to Cat 5 in post-season analysis, because this storm will look so good on satellite imagery. When I say it looks so good on satellite imagery, I mean it looked so good. Like, literally. I will show you now on YouTube the most active hurricane season ever. Now, I might need to turn the music down because I don't want to get copyright strikes. But it's 2020 Atlantic hurricane season there. Right, now I might need to turn the storms down for this, guys. Yeah, I turned my Bluetooth off for a second. But I may need to turn the sound down completely. Also, I'll turn it up a little bit, but not too loud. Sit back and relax, guys. This is Hurricane Dorian.
Hurricane Dorian is going to make a catastrophic pass to the Bahamas later today as a Category 5 with winds of 160 miles per hour. The chaos and tragedy of Hurricane Dorian in 2019 set a reminder to us all of the possibilities of any Atlantic hurricane season, let alone one that was forecasted to be more active than usual, as was the case in 2020. Some people dared to predict that 2020 would get towards the end of the conventional naming list, which hadn't been seen since
And according to recent history, Zeta actually lasted in until January 2006. Now, in 2006 was an El Nino season. I'll show you 2006 tomorrow video. In tomorrow's video.
2005, when we entered the Greek alphabet for the first and only time, reaching the letter Zeta, the sixth Greek letter. And so, once again, the Atlantic hotspots prepared for another Atlantic hurricane season ahead, one that could have brought almost anything to anywhere along the coastlines of North America and the Caribbean islands. Were the 2005 season comparisons warranted?
This storm is, what do you call it? Hurricane Katrina. Now, Katrina was a very strong storm indeed. 175 miles an hour. Obviously, it weakened before landfall to a Category 3, which was a good thing, but it still brought a Category 5 hurricane surge towards it, which destroyed most of Louisiana. So yeah.
Would we get another straight year with a Category 5? This is the 2020 Atlantic hurricane season animation, as analysed by Force 13.
Now I'm gonna have to turn this bit down, guys, because this is the music. You see, I don't want to get copyright striked. Alright, I'll leave it up a little bit, but you guys can react to this as well. Right, this is Arthur. Right, this is Hurricane Arthur. Right, not Hurricane Arthur, Tropical Storm Arthur. Right, that's its track. Now, generally, in May, you do see storms that do form like that. But in May, you generally, get storms that do form, significantly. I'll shut up now. And you can watch the awesome animation. This is Bertha. Guys. 50k, which wasn't a lot of damage, to be honest with you. Now, this storm here, Amanda, that actually became Cristobal. Yes, Cristobal. The earliest sea-name storm in the Atlantic. The earliest A, B, and C name storm in the Atlantic. 150 million. Wow. Now, most of these storms are weak in 2020. In 2021, some of them have not been weak. I'll tell you what storm has been weak. Grace has not been weak. Ida has not been weak. We've had we haven't had more hurricanes than last year. We had 13 last year, didn't we? Or was it 11? I don't know. But yeah, we had this year we had Grace, Ida, Larry, and Sam, all major hurricanes. Now, in a typical season, you get 14, 7, and 3. This season, we got 28, and, obviously, 4. But that can change. That can change from 29 and Now, no, 29, and no, no, that can change from 20 to 21, 9, and then 5. So that means then if we do get 5 major hurricanes, well, that means we'll only need 2 to be tied to 2005 and 2020. Now, if we do get 8 major hurricanes, which is possible, then will be one of the most it'll be one of the most active hurricane seasons on record with 8 major hurricanes. So, yeah. And that's for 2021, by the way. This is the earliest D-named storm. Now this is on for 11 minutes. I will show you I'll show you Laura. Oh wait. Sorry about this, guys. About the adverts. Right, this is Hana. Right, I will show you until Laura, actually. This is Marco and Laura. I love this music, guys. Force 13. Go subscribe to the Force 13, guys. Because Force 13, they are, they make good animations and good hurricane updates. They're way better than mine. You see, Hurricane Laura. You see how much damage it did. You'll see the track in a minute. Wait until it dissipates. The track should appearing any minute now. Alright, the track already has appeared. But I will show you Teddy. Now, Teddy was our second major hurricane. Now, you will see all this activity in September. Watch. All you do is just get two storms. Paulette and Renee, nothing much. And then we had Paulette, Renee. Then we had Sally, 3. 20 out. Teddy, Vicky. 22 out. Wilfred, Alpha, Beta. You see all that tropical activity? That was when the La Nina officially formed. Now, La Nina was declared then. And obviously that's when the activity was very active. Paulette's remnants was still going. And, it did manage to form again into a tropical system. Which was, kind of alright, I guess. But, yeah, that was, Larry. Right. No, that was Paulette. Right, now this is Delta, October. So basically, this time last... Wait, it's the 9th today, right? No, it's the 8th. So this time, basically last year, it was still in the Gulf of Mexico. So, yeah. I will show you the next strongest storm that didn't occur. Actually, Epsilon was a Category 3. And then we didn't have a major hurricane until November. Yes, we had 2 in November, guys. You might be thinking, well, you can't get 2 in November. We had Zeta as well. So that's alright. 4 in October. 1 in August. 2 in September. 4 or 3 in thingy. Look, Eta became a major hurricane. A Category 4. $188 million. That for today's money, that will be $200 million in 2021's money. It actually did make a second landfall, but then it made a third landfall. And then became a hurricane. And then made a fourth landfall. And then we had Theta. Now 31 out was Iota. Now this season had 30 named storms. Right, this was Iota. A Category 5, but it got downgraded obviously. $888 million, $1.5 billion. And actually dissipated on my birthday, guys. November 18th. So I actually dissipated on my birthday, which was actually good news. Hurricane Laura was the costliest of the several Gulf Coast landfalls in 2020. Hurricane Iota was the only Category 5 of the year, adding further... I can't read that. Right, this is the list. So... see. Right, I don't there. Guys, please don't strike me. Please don't copyright strike me, please. That would not be fun. I do not want my channel being disappeared yet again. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. This is gonna be a long one to edit, so yeah. But anyway, it's worth it. I love editing my videos because, you know, they keep me... They can actually keep me happy and see you guys. So, yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Don't forget to share this video on social media if you have social media. If you don't, like the video so YouTube recommends my content. So, yeah. Anyway, peace, guys, and you know, stay safe from these hurricanes and storms. So, yeah. Anyway, love you all, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Peace, and have a great day. Goodbye.